welcome back to another vlog, guys. It's definitely been a while since my last one. But yeah, it was my birthday last month, and I decided to go and pick some manga for myself. Actually, my manga collection isn't that big, but I kind of want to change that since I want to do comics more and stuff. So I ended up picking up these three books right here. Witch Hat Altier, I've been reading. I've seen so many people recommending it, and it's getting an anime adaptation soon. Also, Delicious Dungeon. I read this at the library and I really liked it a lot. It's also getting an anime adaptation. I don't know, I just love cozy fantasy. I love food. I just love the world so much. And I love the art style, as it is. So I'm showing you guys here in this video here. And then I had Special Ops Asuka? Magical Girl Specs Ops Asuka. I can't pronounce anything. But it had an anime like a couple years ago and never got a season 2, but the manga's finished and it's about military magical girls that have PTSD and a magical threat has returned, and yeah, it's really interesting. I actually don't have that many magical girl manga on my shelf, actually, and I kind of want to change that, so that's some of the manga I picked up this time. So for the rest of this vlog, I'm just going to be talking over footage because anytime I'm actually doing something important, I always forget to record. So if I were to describe the past few months, I'd definitely call it hectic. There's a lot of things that I tried and quit. For example, for I guess a solid 6 months, I was live streaming and then I quit. I designed a VTuber persona and I did all the art, and then I started rigging it in Live 2D. I also quit that. And then for my sticker shop, I was working on some new designs and then just kind of left it on hiatus for now, so I guess you could say I kind of quit that as well. And then for a while I kind of felt bad because it kind of sucks when you have to give up on a project, but I think it's also important to know when to just stop. It doesn't mean all the work and time you put in is lost. You just live and learn and move on to the next thing. You can always come back to it. I'm also really careful when it comes to promising things as well, because I've learned the hard way. Making promises is a dangerous game. That's why I'm really careful with only announcing things when it's almost done, or I'm 100% sure, 100% certain that it's gonna get finished. One thing I've been trying to get back into is learning how to use Blender again, because it's just one of those things I pick up on and off every once in a while. So here's a couple things I've made in the past few months. Hopefully one day I'd good enough to be able to make 3D models for my comics. I don't know, we'll see. So what I've really been up to is well, it's not really a secret project, but it's my Magical Girl webcomic that I always talk about on my social media. If you're new here, I made a comic back in 2020. It was a one-shot, and for a while I wanted to make a second update, but then I took a step back and I was you need to write the story out and figure things out before you commit to a story that's gonna get too big. So I'm okay, let's start it from scratch. So then for a couple years I was stuck on some drafts, and then this year I really liked the version that I have now, and so I kind of work on it on and off between projects. I have some stuff about it posted for now. It's just at that weird stage where everything is changing all the time, so I'm not ready to share too much just yet. I'd like to keep some secrets. But if you're curious, you can just go on my links, and I have the link to the original comic there, and you can look through my tabs and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much what I've been doing this whole year so far. Sorry this vlog was a little bit shorter than usual. Again, I just wanted to make sure I got it out for you guys, so... But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!